I just go with the flow.
Something gooey is taking over Bikini Bottom.
Look! Run, Whitehead!
But is the goo
How do I know?
all
Please stand by. A message from station KXI-86 will follow shortly. The following is an important weather message from the National Weather Service, issued at 4:53 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for Benton County in northwest Indiana until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:53 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service radar detected a severe squall line capable of producing tornadoes that may not be visible due to heavy rain. It was located near Fowler and moving east at 25 miles per hour. There is another area capable of producing a tornado southwest of Fowler. Hazard, tornado and 100 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Other locations in the warning include Fowler, Oxford, Oak Park, and Otterbein. Interstate 65 between mile markers 204 and 210. In addition to this tornado, this storm is capable of producing destructive straight-line winds. This tornado warning replaces the severe thunderstorm warning that was in effect for the same area. This line of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes with widespread significant wind damage. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.